Bob Boldt HVAC is the trusted expert for heating and cooling services in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121. We specialize in providing comprehensive HVAC solutions, including installation, repair, and maintenance for residential and commercial systems. Our experienced team is dedicated to ensuring your furnace and air conditioning units operate at peak efficiency, offering energy-saving solutions tailored to your needs. From quick repairs to full system replacements, we deliver top-notch service and reliable results. Count on Bob Boldt HVAC for professional, affordable HVAC services in St. Paul, Minnesota. Contact us today about Bob Boldt HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What HVAC services does Bob Boldt HVAC offer in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121? Bob Boldt HVAC provides a range of services in St. Paul, MN, including HVAC installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement for heating systems, air conditioning, heat pumps, furnaces, and indoor air quality solutions. How can I schedule an HVAC service with Bob Boldt HVAC in St. Paul, Minnesota 55121? You can schedule HVAC service by calling Bob Boldt HVAC directly or using the online booking option on their website. They offer flexible scheduling, including emergency services for urgent repairs. What is your Bob Boldt HVAC service office for Burnsville, Minnesota? Our local Bob Boldt HVAC contractors office have served the areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, https://bobbots.com/Burnsville HVAC/